Traditionally, control rooms are designed around a screen wall with rows of tables facing it. SpringRain is a visual analytics system with an ambient information display to aid the real-time monitoring of large computer networks. Inspired by waterfalls and fresh spring rains, our system aims to bring the outdoor natural scene indoors. The effect is an indoor space that is soothing for those who work with tedious time-consuming data on a daily basis. Our aim was to design an ambient visualization that would effectively balance the network's size and its activity. Individual computers are grouped into offices or networks, making the design scalable and capable of handling hundreds of thousands of computers at once. For accuracy, SpringRain divides the global computer system into 7 regions, with networks displayed according to their geographic north, south, and east-west locations. For clarity, the corporate headquarters and its data centers are separated as the first region. The length of the network line shows its relative size, while thicker lines marks it as a regional headquarters. There is a network operations manager who works with a team of specialists responsible for 3 different types of issues: health, security, and performance. To make their job easier, SpringRain is designed to provide a structurally and visually flat design, highlighting all 3 issues on one display. This line-based visualization uses 3 parameters to indicate 3 dimensions. First, the network line displays its health condition. Second, the color bar shows security issues marking the affected proportion. And third, the raindrop visualizes the volume and speed of the network's performance. To make the visualization pleasing to the eye, we used the colors of willow green, cherry red, and purplish gray for each issue type. To ease the task of allocating an issue to an appropriate specialist, SpringRain uses the color density to differentiate between routine, non-routine, and crisis issues. For example, if non-routine security issues affect 50% of the computers in the network, 1/2 of the network line will show a medium red bar on top. It will be thicker when it initially appears, but the line slims down once it has been allocated for an analyst to resolve. The offices that are not responding are displayed as white ghost lines. To illustrate an issue spreading through a region, let's look at a series of attacks across North American networks. The incident is first spotted on the East Coast, where routine security issues are noticed. As the red lines grow darker, security failures and possible thefts become apparent. A similar pattern is noted near Chicago, as well as in Southern California, but preventative measures are applied quicker and further security breaches are prevented. Thanks to the flat yet meaningful abstraction in the visualization, patterns help to contain spreads such as this. To illustrate an unusual event, we visualized the March 2013 incident, where the sea cable connecting South Asia, Middle East, and Western Europe was cut near North Africa, impacting millions of internet users. It is the rainfall pattern that makes it easy to distinguish which regions and networks have faster connectivity and which are slower. To increase communication and real-time management effectiveness, we designed SpringRain to work with Google Glasses. It uses a sensor to identify region names and problematic network lines. It can summarize how many computers are on or offline, how many and what kind of issues a region or a network has, and even provide the opportunity to directly get in touch with the key personnel. Importantly, it helps the network manager to preview key details of any issue and efficiently allocate it to the analyst in the Available Analyst section.